The first thing is I like when they put the remote for the max air fan. They put it right here so you don't lose the remote. Now we're gonna walk over here. We have nice storage up here. The good thing is is where you put your knives. We have another one right here for silverware or for everything else you want to use it for. More storage. We have a nice faucet right here with a nice big sink. More storage. You have this one right here so you can put like sponges, brushes, more storage under the sink. Convection oven. We have a 4-burner stove with a full residential with big nice size oven. More storage. On this side you have a double trash can, which I like a lot. 2 decent size pull-out drawers. But guess what? You don't only have 1 silverware drawer, you have 2. You have one right here and the hidden compartment over there, where to store your paper towel. The other thing I like about this is the cutting board and the beautiful chandelier above. We're gonna turn back here and we have more storage space.
Safety feature.
Safety feature, you have this one and the one I like next to it. Right here. I totally forgot about this drawer right here.
Spice rack.
Your spice rack. And a full-size residential refrigerator right here. Nice freezer. More storage above. And right here you have 2 stools if you want to sit in the island and enjoy a snack or breakfast for the kids. Back here you have an office setup. You can move the table back and forth. You can also extend it. Now the other thing I want to show you is the couch, the U-shaped love seats. You can make it into a bed, or you can make it even smaller. It lines up with your island, and it puts away really small for travel. And back here we have a nice entertainment center. But guess what? There's also hidden storage. And I also found out that there's a hidden storage up here. Right there. And now we're going upstairs. And now we're gonna get to the bathroom right here. I like how they changed the features on your sink. You have a lot of storage. Then you have a medicine cabinet that lights up, a porcelain toilet, a nice big shower. It has shower head here, 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 and here. You have more closet space here. It pulls out all the way right here. You can switch the shelving how you want it. You also have your trash can. Now we're making it to the master bedroom. It has a decent sized bed, a walk-in closet. It has storage here, a space for your washer and dryer. Right here. Also, I found out that this room also has a hidden feature. Let's move this out real quick. A hidden storage under your desk. I love it. Then you have shelving up there for your stuff at night. It has plugs up there too. Nice cabinet right here so you can put some knickknacks, books, any decorations. And now we're gonna show you the back half of the trailer.
Walking into the back of this beautiful cargo hauler, you can see why Brinkley really thought this thing through. First of all, it's 14 foot from front to back, but it still has a bathroom that you can use when you're not hauling your toys. You just set it up like this, boom, boom, and you now have a separate private bathroom, even with a hand sink here that you can use, storage, and a window right here. The windows have day and night shades on them here, as you can see. This floor is a heated floor, and it's 14 foot from front to back. Here you can see we have an additional bed, a loft above the garage, so you can put another person here. But there's also Happy Jack sofas right above me. You can bring down and turn into a bed. They even thought about additional storage space, so you can store your straps and other things that you need down in the floor here. And then anytime you want, you can come out here and enjoy your beautiful patio. So as always, I want to show you some of the things I like on the outside of this beautiful rig. First of all, they have started right off the bat with giving you the Furion backup and side view cameras. Then looking underneath the fifth wheel hitch here, we actually have a door that gives you full access. There's plenty of things you can do with this huge underbay down here. And then you've got more storage to the left over there. You probably put some more batteries if you wanted to do that. And you have a flex power generator, a 5500, which is more than enough power. You do have a Gen Y hitch system, which is going to help you with a lot of that yoking going down the road. But let's check this out over here. Huge compartment for your propane. That'll allow you to get yourself at least a 40-pound propane bottle in there. And then on this side here, look at all this access we have. But this is the nifty little parts here. These drawers pull out on each side. So you can have all your little items that you're normally out there trying to get in just a quick, easy space on the side of the road. You can tell that this was designed by RVers. Coming back this way, I want to show you that we have an on-demand hot water heater. So you're going to have that endless hot water. You have a power reel down here with another one of these drawers that has your hidden ladder in it and some other supports. Then, what's neat, you don't see this on a lot of trailers, your water hose is already pre-installed with 65 feet on a rail. So you pull it out, hook it up. When you're done, it just goes right back in to where it came from. So let's talk about some of the liquid storage capacity on this rig. What I thought was pretty neat is they actually come stock with 150 gallons of fresh water storage capacity. That's kind of neat to have. On top of that, you're also going to be getting 156 gallons of gray water capacity, which is nice to have when you're on the road and you don't get a chance to dump. Then the next thing I want to point out is the black water. You actually have 85-gallon black water tank. Can't tell you with a family of 5 how much we would have wished we had a tank that size. But then you're traveling around with all your toys and everything, and you do have an additional 65-gallon fuel tank to be able to refuel your toys while you're traveling around the road. Let's also come to the back here. I want to point out one of my other favorite features, and we got a nice awning up here and a fencing so you can let the kiddos come out and play. They've even installed a protective screen so the dogs and your kids won't fall off the side. Now, talking about stabilization, they do have the ground control level up system by LCI here. And of course, this is a Brinkley, right? So we're gonna have their beautiful square windows, which I'm really starting to fall in love with. Not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also looks like it might stand the test of time a little bit more than your typical RV window. Now we're gonna go to the other side and I wanna show you some more cool stuff. If you think of these little things when you're on the road and you go, man, it'd be a great idea if I had just something like this right there. And this is one of them. We are always having to plug in extra accessories outside, like e-bikes, or we have to hook something up to the truck, or maybe we need a charger. And we always have to run cables outside. This comes pre-built in with a 25-foot 110 electrical cable, and it just uncoils and winds back in, just like this. So it's always there when you need it. So one of the reasons why we haven't upgraded to these steps yet is we're not happy with how these steps, when you fold up, all the dirt just falls down inside the trailer. One of the cool things that they installed with these steps is before you fold them up, you can actually dump all that dirt off before you put them in, just like that. Then come over here, look at this. They actually installed a chiller, an outside chiller for your beers, your wine. There's movable partitions in here so you can put whatever you'd like in and have it cold with easy access. Just with a flip of a possibility. Let's move further. You saw the drawers on the other side, but I want to show it to you again here because this is a dream for pretty much any RVer, especially a full-time RVer, to load your stuff in and be able to have easy access to it. And then of course, same as the other side, they have plenty of room for you to upgrade your LP tanks to a larger size if you want. One other thing I really want to point out about this, and I'm becoming a fanboy of Brinkley more and more as we do these videos, but look at the awnings across the top here. How many RVs do you actually see awnings from front to back of the vehicle? Also LED strip across, and they're automatic. So this is something that I think that we could find good use for.
We just finished a tour on the Model G3950.
But we want to know what you think of this beautiful rig. Leave us a comment below and tell us any thoughts, ideas, or what your general thoughts are of the rig itself.
If you want to watch more content like this, check out this one right here.